Friends, today we will see prismatic roughing, and this is the part from groove milling 4. So we have already created a groove option in this example. Now I want to apply the prismatic roughing. So click here, a rough stock. The rough stock is this one, and part is this one, and here the safety plane is this, start point is this point, and top of this part is this one, bottom of this part is this. Right, now generate. Toolpath will compute, and it will create the toolpath for all the pockets and contours. It will generate toolpath whether it is a close or it is a open area. It will create toolpath. Right, now one more thing, the tool we haven't defined, so I'm going to define a tool. This time it is a tool. No, I don't want ball nose. Click here, 0, and make it 16. Right, and here it is 25, and increase the length. Right, now compute it again. Right, let's see this. Now this is the toolpath. Right, okay, now the toolpath is generating for open and close all area. Now come to this, and here in machining mode we have area and outer part and pockets. I just want to create the toolpath only for the pockets which are closed. The closed area is for pockets. Right, say this. That's it. Okay, now I'm going to change it to outer part. So toolpath will generate only for the outer part, means except close boundaries, close pocket, except close pocket, it will generate the toolpath for this case. Right, okay, I'm just showing you. Right, the close area, it has skipped this close area. Machining mode is by area and by plane. Okay, I'm using this by plane. Here it is not properly visible, so in other example I will show you. Helical movement in or outward means it may be start from outside to inside or inside to outside depending upon the geometry. And if you don't want helical, we can also use forth and back, and it will generate like this. Raster finish, raster toolpath. Radial is 50%, the step over is 50%, and the depth of cut is here. If you want to increase, you can increase or decrease whatever you want depending upon you can use, right? And the mode for this engage is ramping. You can also use helical or plunging, whatever you want. So leave it. Another example we will see. Okay, and this is the second example, or we can do for this example. Double click here and pockets only and generate. And here, see here we have this ramping. Now I don't want this ramping, I just want plunge and generate, so directly it will plunge. We use plunging when the pocket is too small and the dia of tool is, see, now it is going directly straight and it is plunging, right? And here is a helical, so 15 offset on ramp, helical dia 70. Let's see, otherwise we will make some changes so that it will be visible. Here it is generating, but because of the depth of cut is too small, so it is not properly visible. So I am using 5, depth of cut is 5, so the toolpath will generate a little bit faster. And say this is the helical, this is the helix. Okay, see from top. Okay, now I want to make some changes in this. So we have ramp angle is 15 degree and the helix die is 70% of tool, right? If you want, we can also change it like 50. The small, this helix will a little bit small right now. Say this, it is small because the dia I have reduced. See, it is creating the helix for engage. So hope you understand this. See you in next lecture. Thank you for watching.